First position of Brock. Now Kilden. First basket, first shot, too strong. Rebound on Castillo.
Jay, galing ka dito, Jay. Wing ka, Jay. Wing.
Too strong. Rebound on Atomic Bomb.
Ayan mo na, ganyan na para may hangin lang.
Malason. Target by. Now, first basket for Satent. Rebound by Kelvin. Kelvin now. Drive, goes to close. First basket, first shot on Kelvin. Nice intercepted. It's our score 2-0.
Kami yung ano. Ako nga nasabi sa mga yan.
Intercepted again by Kelvin. Let's play again. Pow. Foul on number 7, Henry Isidro. First personal foul against Isidro. First team foul against Abu Dhabi. This is just our first game, first match on our enter Emirates Season 4 by Basketballista. Now 3-0. 3-point lead on Russell Kaima. Isidro. First attempt. Again, too strong. Rebound by Malason. Nice steal by Kelvin. Escalante. Yes on Escalante. 2-3. 1-point lead on Rock.
Hindi mo kami ginawa eh. Pinirili. May ginawa pala.
Ginawa ka pa niya. Ayun ang sikat. Ha? Apa dito?
Nice pass outside. Oh! Same ball. 10 to shoot. 10. Steal again by Vitores. Isidro all alone. Right. Yes, and Isidro. Now 4-3. Nice shot by Isidro. Punsalan. Kills him again. Same spot, short. Rebound by Escalante. Escalante. Steal by Punsalan. Punsalan, drive, stop up. Punsalan by Pareño. Pareño. Again, too strong. Tap by Punsalan. Foul. Foul on number 19. On Escalante. First on Escalante. Second team foul. On Abu Dhabi.
Nagang pasa, way klaro ba? Aktak pasa.
For all. This is our first game, first match on our Inter-Emirates Season 4. Now 5-4, 1-point lead on Rock. It's 7 minutes. Isidro. Escalante. Steal again by Castillo. Now on. Steal by Nepi. Nepi. Guard by Castillo. To Isidro. Isidro. Yes, na. Di ba nun Kelvin? Kelvin.
Ayun na yan, Jim!
Let it fly. Kelvin. Now 7-4. 3-point lead now on Russell Kaima. Escalante. 14 shoot. Nepi. 10 shoot. Short. Now Punsalan. Punsalan. Run. Left-handed Punsalan. Time out. On. This is our first game, first match It's Russell Kaima against Abu Dhabi. Our season 4. Escalante. Too strong again. Di pa may palason. Oh, top by San Castillo. Then again, let it fly. Candle fly. Looking for Putsilan. Putsilan fake. Putsilan right. Putsilan step. And mouse. Stepping on the line. On good game. 5 minutes and 40 seconds. It's the defending champion Abu Dhabi against the runner-up Russell Kaima. Now Isidero. Escalante, back to Isidero, 14 shoots. Torres. Oh, too strong. Castillo again. Balason, 14 to shoot. First basket, first shot on Balason, now 6-9. 3-point lead on Russell Kaima. It's 5 minutes and 10 seconds.
Baba, Jem! Let it fly na yan. Let it fly yan.
Let it fly again, Crown 11-6. 5-point lead back to Russell Kaima. 4 minutes and 50 seconds. Now Isidero.
Hey, challenge ah!
Looking for Nepi. Nepi all along to score again. Limit Kalacham, let it fly. To Pujalan. Send surface pass to. Oh, you know. Pujalan again. Yes, sir, Pujalan. Now 30-6.
Wala na kasunod. Hey, Maui! Malayo po yan!
Isidero. Back to Isidero again. Nepi. Drive. Nepi. Goes again. Too strong. Di Balason. Di Torres. 10 reset. 14. Balason again. Side step. Yes, Balason. 8-13. 5-point lead on Russell Kaima.
Ayusin mo natin yan. Baka masira na yung gusto mo yan.
Let it fly. Too strong. Rebound ng Castillo. Steal by Isidero. Isidero, 1-1. It's 3-2. Fake. Looking for Isidero. Jump shot short. Rebound ng Nepi. Foul. Foul on Punsalan. First on Punsalan. First team foul on Russell Kaima.
Alas pa naman. Alas pa gano'n.
Ilagan. Lungsod.
9-13. 10-13. It's 3-point lead now on Russell Kaima. Now looking for Pujalan. Keljem again. Keljem to throw. Rebound on Escalante. Steal. Isidero. Oh, Castillo. Yes, on Castillo. 15-10. Back to 5-point lead by Russell Kaima. Now Nepi. 3 minutes. Isidero, setting a play, pass to Nepi, fake, drive, go, stop up, Nepi looking for Di Torres, open jump, again short. Steal, 10 to shoot, 10. Again, in and out, top by Keljem. Let it fly, Keljem, 17, against 10. It's 2 minutes and 30 seconds.
Ano si Calgary?
Isidero escape, short again. Isidero, Nepi, fake. Troubling violation against Nepi. Turnover on Abu Dhabi. Our reigning champion on season 3. 2 minutes and 20 seconds.
3 minutes na naman.
Steal again by the White Shirts. Now Nepi. Nepi drive, Nepi goes foul. Foul on Paraño. First on Paraño. Second team foul, Russell Kaima.
Wala pang siya nag-foul na.
7:52, 2 minutes and 8 seconds. 11-17, 6-point lead now on Rock. It's 2 minutes and 1 minute and 59 seconds. Keljim again. Let it fly. Drive Keljim to throw. Iba ng Balason. Balason. Stop pumps. Goes on. Balason now 13-17. Oh, Castillo. 19-13. 1 minute and 30. The 6-point lead on Russell Kaima. Isidero. Nepi. Back to Isidero. Balason again. Favorite shot. Short top. Balason. Ah, still by Castillo. It's Punchalan. Punchalan. Punchalan pass to Pareño. Double D-ball. Turnover on Russell Kaima. 59 seconds. Baseball pass. Di Torres. Big. Isidate. Pass to Isidero. Bola.
Pusunong kumain eh.
Hindi, pwede. Isa eh, naiwan. Dapat dalawa, bago, dapat tapak muna.
Yes on Castillo.
Ay, Jake. Tira. Hey, focus na. Ayaw na. Wala na mong gawa. Hindi na mahuwawi.
43 seconds.
Teka lang. May gamit na. 1-0.
40 to shoot. Air ball. 25 seconds. 25. Oh, Isilgan. Let us fly. Count them. 23 to 13. 15 seconds.
Ilan kailan laro na
Balason.
Short. 10 seconds. Let it fly. 5 seconds.
Hey, pati ninyo harangan. Nice day.
And now for first quarter. Abu Dhabi ball. Abu Dhabi.
Oh no.
Now the play by Louis. Bang! Oh, Sergey! 16 to 25.
Ang 5-9 sa
3-second violation on Castillo. Only 9-point lead on Russell Kaima. Now Louis. The playboy run, playboy right, stop pump. Again, same spot. Short. Ibang Bailagan. Foul.
box.
Foul on the door, Aparador. First on Aparador. First team foul on Russell Kaima. First shot, first basket of Ilagan. 9 minutes and 10. Ibawan on the agent Makalalad. This is a game of revenge. It's between Abu Dhabi and Russell Kaima. Dator Aparador. Francisco. Whoa! What a shot coming from Francisco. 27-17. Now Louis. Louis, stop. Looking for the Wonder Boy. Short. Dator Aparador to Bonga. 1-1 by Louis. Bonga. Castillo. Castillo drive. Castillo short. Iba ng Ilagan. Ilagan to Balason. Now Balason drive. Balason! Move by Balason. 19-27. It's 8-point lead on Russell Kaima. Now Bonga. Francisco. Stop up. Still again. Foul.
Technical. Ball pa sila.
Usmanat. Oh, traveling violation, traveling. 14 descent shot clock 14. Dador Aparador. A ball. Sergey now, Sergey. Oh, steal. Aparador, nice defense from Louis.
Where are you? Okay, you bring Ajman, ha? Okay.
Now Agent Bacalalat.
Ay, wow.
Bang on to Agent Bacalalat. Now 30-19, 11-point lead on Russell Kaima. Louis, the playboy. Louis, first match per set, Malasot, fake. Ilagan, top, block by the door. Makalalat. Makalalat, pull out jumper again, short. Rebound by Ilagan. Carmen Bonga. Ilagan, drive, Ilagan, block by the door, Aparador to Louis. Oh, turnover under 6 minutes and 40 seconds. Only 11-point lead by Russell Kaima.
Nice, Dong!
Short. Rebound on the agent again, Makalalad. Bang! On Makalalad, 32-19. Now Louis. Short.
Wala!
Now Makalalad. Foul. Foul on number 14 on the Wonder Boy. First on the Wonder Boy. First team foul, Abu Dhabi. Bonga to Francisco.
Wow.
Still by Louis. Now first layup, first attempt. Wow! You love again by the Wonder Boy. Wonder Boy again. Straight, Wonder Boy for 3. Again, short rebound by Bonga.
Laban!
Francisco, looking for the agent Makalalad, short, rebound again, Makalalad to top to the door, tap the door, block by Ilagan. Now JJ, Bonga, stop, Bonga, pop, Bonga, too strong, rebound on, Whitechurch, 5 minutes and 30 seconds.
Down.
It's a 4-0 run by Russell Kaima. Fake. Too strong. Top by rebound by Balason now, Balason stop. Balason again, Balason fake. Yes or no, Playboy Louis, 21-32. It's a 11-point lead on Russell Kaima.
Uwi mo na! Hoy!
Yes, on Francisco. Louis now. Guard by Bonga. 14 to shoot. Out short, Castillo rebound. What a great move from Louis. Now the door, Aparador, too strong. Rebound by Bonga short. And it's still by Louis. It's 3-4 for a 2. Louis drive, Louis short. 4 minutes. Baseball pass. Dador. Black, Pailagan. Dador again. Hey, looking for Bonga. To Castillo. Foul on number 14 on the Wonder Boy. Second personal foul on the Wonder Boy. Second team foul, Abu Dhabi. It's 35-21. 14-point lead now on Russell Kaima. 3 minutes and 50 seconds. Now Lloyd, the Playboy. Foul. Oh, offensive foul on the Wonder Boy. It's third personal foul on the Wonder Boy. 13 foul, Abu Dhabi. Now the door up on the door. Bang! Bang, bang, bang on Francisco! Timeout! Ay, bakit kulista is 3 minutes and 24 seconds. Second quarter. Bounding Wonder Boy to the Playboy. Sergey 11. Balason, favorite shot. In and out.
Nice one!
Dador operador. Rock ball, rock. It's rock.
Tirador! Bang, bang!
Now 11.
Ibaba!
Wonder Boy. Back to 11.
Kaya!
Oh! The Wonder Boy! Pow! First rebound of the game by Wonder Boy. Was fouled up. Foul on Francisco. First on Francisco, second team foul on Rock. 2 free throw shot by Wonder Boy. It's 2 minutes and 38 seconds. 38 to 21.
Sarang gol!
Mali.
Tapay ang parador. Oh! Yes, on Ilagan. Now 23 to 38.
Waisa!
Francisco Castillo. Traveling violation foul.
Dapat ko na timeout na kasi may dugo. Dugo niya ni Aki.
Wala akong dalang kod na. Tissue nga.
Tawag ko lang siya, yung wonder boy namin na-enjoy.
Wala akong dalang kod. Wala akong tissue dyan.
Mag-over commit dun sa ibabaw. Tapos my situation. Pagkagawa na ba? Ayan, pagtira niya.
Dalawang kapras eh. Apat na free throw ha.
Nag-nail cutter eh. Nag-nail cutter.
Apat na free throw yan, apat. Wala free throw?
Tara, biling tayo.
2 minutes and 15 seconds. Playboy. Oh! What a pass! 25 to 38 now. 13-point lead on Russell Kaima. It's 2 minutes. Still by the Playboy Loy. Playboy now. Oh! Playboy. Pass to Wonder Boy. Bang! On Balason, what a play coming from Abu Dhabi. Now 27-38. It's 11-point lead now on Russell Kaima. Pador Parador. Looking for Francisco. Francisco. Still again for Sergey. Sergey now. Sergey. 1-1. Sergey drive pass. No, still. Time.
Wala sa
14 assistant at 14. Sir J. Balason. Again, in and out. Top. Ilagay 14 assistant at 14. Foul. Foul again ang number 27 on the door, Aparador. Second on the door, Aparador. Third on Russell Kaima.
Issue na issue.
Kaya sa inyo sa amin daw.
Ikuan mo nga, Jay.
28 to 38.
Hey! Tinulog.
Warning for penalty on Abu Dhabi.
One point siya.
Oh, Louis.
Pati kaya! Oy!
40 seconds. Oh, basket count and one on the Agents. Makalalad. Foul nilagad. Now Abu Dhabi penalty, 32 seconds.
Magwa ka talbong. Oh, yes, magwa ka.
41 to 28.
Tira. Balik. Ilalim mo, wala tayo ilalim.
Short.
Seconds.
10 seconds.
Kaya ba? Kaya. Kaya. Tayo tinignan.
Yes. Cholo, takin Cholo.
Ito na si Guapo Boy.
Our score now, 41
Feeling superstar din yan na.
against 35.
Lapit.
Escalante. Steal. Bayong shot. Telet ball, lateral fly. Foul. Foul on Louis. First personal foul on the Playboy Louis.
Isa. Nice jam.
42 to 35. Back to 7-point lead now again by Russell Kaima. Now Nepi. Kadil pa rin yun. Nepi now. Crossover. 14 to shoot.
Lefty.
Tira na.
10. Short. Lungsod. To Kazem. Now let it fly. Let it fly. Let it fly.
Ay, wow.
Short. Libay by Nepi.
Hey.
Nepi. Why wow by Nepi. Now tap again by Agent Makalalad. It's 9 minutes. Makalala. Nice. Libay Nepi. To Wonderboy. Low. Playboy. Playboy that. Playboy. Playboy. 37-42. What a great move by the Playboy. Louis. Para nyo, 8 minutes and 40 seconds. Now, Putsalan setting a play. 14 to shoot. Longshot. 10 to shoot. Short. Rebound Escalante. Now the Playboy goes to goal. Nice pass to Nepe. Nepe. Basket count and one by Nepe. Foul on Lungsod. First team foul on Russell Kaima. Now 42 against to 39. 3-point lead on Russell Kaima. It's 8 minutes and 20 seconds. 42 to 40. 2-point lead now by the runner-up on season 3, Russell Kaima. Kutsalan. Makalalan. Makalalan, time to shoot, 10. Too strong. Now the playboy, foul. Foul on the agent Makalalan. Second team foul on Russell Kaima. First on the agent. Now Louis the playboy. Pastos Escalante, the atomic bomb. Bang, 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 bang. Oh, the atomic bomb. 43 to 41. 1 point lead now. Open the eyes. Still on Cholo. One the Cholo. Now the playboy. Drive. Playboy pass outside. Oh, Ilagan. Steal by Luzon. Paranyo. Still on Cholo. Tap by Cholo. Same ball. Nice defense on Cholo. Now 7 minutes and 17 seconds. 42 to 43. 1 point lead now, Abu Dhabi. Now Makalalan. Keljem, let it fly, foul. Foul on Cholo. Second team foul on Abu Dhabi. First against Cholo, the mighty Cholo. 43 all, 43 all. What a ball game for first game. Abu Dhabi against Ras Al Khaimah. Now 44-43. 1 point lead on Ras Al Khaimah. This is our third quarter, our first game, first match for our Inter-Emirates Season 4. May pasibilis sa DPP. Nothing, I steal. Lungsod to free play. Lungsod to Gadget. Oh, steal by foul. Foul on Tunsalan. 13 foul on Ras Al Khaimah. Short. 14 the set shot clock, 14. It's 44 against 43. 6 minutes. Oh, 3-1. Paranyo. Usalan. Hey, Usalan. 3-second violation on Paranyo. It's 5 minutes and 50.
Mahinang
Time out on Russell.
Hira na kayo, para hindi tayo mag-visitans. Ano na yung mga kamay? Aning lang pala pinunta nyo
Oh, crossover. Pass. In and out. Ilagan. Foul. Oh, offensive foul on Ilagan. It's 13 foul on Abu Dhabi. Second personal foul on Ilagan. Lungsod. Maranyo. Makalat. Let it fly. Keljem, let it fly. Block by Ilagan. Out. Cholo, the mighty Cholo. It's 5 minutes. Now Louis. Escalante. Black by Paranyo. Wala black by Paranyo. Now Makalalan. Makalalan now. 5-4. 4-4. Makalalan. Pass to Lungsod. Lungsod. Drive. Lungsod. Escape. Lungsod. Now 46-43. 3-point in on Ras Al Khaimah.
Relax lang. Wilo na.
It's only 4 minutes and 30 seconds. For our third quarter, first game.
Kami pwede na mag-sub, no?
10 to shoot, 10. Short.
Pasa, Jake! Pasa!
Yes, sir. Time out. On Abu Dhabi.
Hindi man lang. Plus 5 pa sila.
Nakuha mo kayo dun sa sigaw ni
Yan ang Playboy Louie. Orchid shoot. Paolo lungsod. Warning for penalty on Russell Kaima. Warning for penalty. Third personal foul. Second personal foul lungsod. Oh! Iba na let it fly. Kelvin. Nakapunsalan. It's 3 minutes and 30 seconds.
Balik! Balik!
14 to shoot. 13 to shoot. 13.
Bigyan mo na. Dyan, dyan.
48 to 43.
Nice pass. Nice foul, no?
Oh no.
Nice dog.
Rock ball, rock ball.
Atin. Pre, paikutin. Dog, bigyan mo na screen si Arno. Bigyan nyo na screen. Cutter, cutter! Hey! Buto lang! Hey!
Foul on number 20. Warning for penalty Abu Dhabi. Warning for penalty.
Right!
48 to 43.
49.
49. Malason. Mighty Cholo. Steal by lungsod. Tell them, let it fly, let it fly, let it fly! Kill them! It's 51. 243. Mighty Cholo. Short. 2 minutes. Technical foul on
Profane language.
Playboy, the Wonder Boy. Playboy out of the game. 2 minutes. 2 minutes.
Mamaya yan, lalabas yun. Hindi naman papapasokan yun. Hindi naman pwede.
Now 2 minutes.
Pwede ko lang ilabas yun.
Hey, man-to-man tayo, man-to-man. Ayos tayo, ayos to.
Gamit tayo screen ha, gamit tayo screen. Ano? Tira! Bigyan mo, yan! O, galaw!
Nice, Steve Isidero. Mighty Cholo. Mighty Cholo. May daw! Mighty Cholo. Ibang na may nabi. Pink! Inilagay na Escalante. Foul. Rose, Barret. Foul on Escalante. Lungsod. Rose, Barret. Red was foul. Foul Escalante.
Galante.
Atoy!
Cholo.
1 minute and 25 seconds. Penalty at penalty. It's 1 minute and 25 seconds. Basket sa dito sa pa, basket sa.
Yun!
Sa dito sa rep, sa.
Gulungin sa patos eh. Kunin mo, Jay. Ginano ko yung bola, oh. Jay, wag na, Jay. Baba na, Jay. Jay, baba na. Pahinga ka, pahinga. Una lang yung kamay nila. Gumawa ka lang kasi ginanon ko eh. Kamay mo ka eh.
Nothing. Si Torres. Wow! What a move by the Torres. Now 45 to 54. 9-point lead on Russell Kaima.
Pagod na yan! Matanda na yan!
Game.
14 to shoot. 14. 10.
Let it fly.
Black. May Malason.
Kaya.
2 Isidero. Napi, drive. Oh, 47 to 54. Put up a point lead now on Russell Kaima. It's 30 seconds. Nice. Still again by Isidero. 25 seconds. Nepi again. Big. Bang on Nepi. 15 seconds. Oh, short. 10 seconds. Bound.
Oh, 2 points.
Who's fouled up? Foul on Castillo. Now penalty. 54 to 49. It's 5-point lead only for Rock. It's 5 seconds.
Doon ka lang, mag-elected fly ka rin eh.
54 to 50. 5 seconds. 54-50. 5 seconds. And no more.
Pwede mo pumasok yun, di ba 10 minutes lang?
Dalawa, technical, sunod.
Dapat na sa ano yan ha?
Isidero. Di Torres. Open jump. Favorite shot. Short. Rebound on the agent. Makalalat.
Bigyan mo!
Naputsalan. Kadi ba Isidero? Putsalan. Pass to agent. Agent Makalalat. Bang! Bang on Makalalat. 57-51. Back to 6-point lead on Russell Kaima. Isidero. Too strong. Rebound on Putsalan. Back to Makalalat. Wow! Castillo! 59 to 51. Back to 8-point lead on Russell Kaima. 14 to shoot.
Shoot mo yan.
Foul on Castillo. First team foul on Russell Kaima.
Castillo, second person.
Second personal foul on number 99 on Castillo. This is our first game, first match for our Enter Emirates Season 4 by Basketballista. It's the defending champion against the runner-up, Russell Kaima versus Abu Dhabi.
Ano tayo sa ano? Ang pinakamalaki nila sa stainless. Isang malaki lang.
In and out, Makalalad now. To Keljem, let it fly, Keljem. Pass to Francisco. Kaya pa Isidero. Makalalad. Open jump. Bang! Bang! On Makalalad. 62 to 52. Wonder Boy. In and out. Rebound again on the agent. Makalalan. It's 2-1. Makalalan. Short. Asidero. Ilagan. Sergey. Oh! What a move coming from Sergey. Now 62-54. 8-point lead of Russell Cam. 8 minutes. Castillo to Francisco. Foul. Foul on Sergey. Substitution. First on Sergey. First team foul on Abu Dhabi. Our second game will be Ajman versus Dubai.
Run out training.
64 to 64. Escalante, Nepi. Rebound and let it fly. Let it fly. Too strong. Now Escalante, atomic bomb. Balason, air Balason short. In 7 minutes. Short.
Nag-relax ko, misto. Relax na yung pagkakatira.
Lalim!
Yes, on atomic bomb, Escalante. Now Punsilan. Makalalan. Castillo. Short. Rebound again. Makalalan. Fake. Makalalan drive. Makalalan shot. Attack. Makalalan. 56 to 66. 6 minutes and 20 seconds. Isidero. Escalante. Favorite shot. Short. Rebound again. By Escalante. Nepi, drive, Nepi, goes to go, straight-handed short, foul.
Ayaw na.
Push ball left. Foul on number 19, 72 seconds,
Escalante.
on Escalante. Third personal foul on Escalante, second on Abu Dhabi.
Ikaw na umayaw. Ay, nako.
5 minutes and 49. Oh! Foul! Foul on Francisco. And still coming from Isidero.
Second personal.
Second personal foul on Francisco. Second team foul against Russell Khaima.
Ay, si Diro.
14 to shoot.
Escalante. Ayaw magipag-fit.
Bang! On Makalalan. Now 69 to 56.
Galing.
It's 5 minutes.
Ligur na na yun.
Nakahapat din siya.
Bang! On Nepe.
59-69.
Now the agent. Pass to Lungsol. What a pass coming from the agent Lungsol. 71-59.
Uli!
Black foul.
Sige na, mag-technical kami.
Castillo.
Foul on number 99 on Castillo. Third team foul on Russell Caima.
Second. On Castillo.
Second personal foul on Castillo. Nice shot coming from Air Balason. It's 4 minutes and 20 seconds. 11-point lead on Russell Caima. And our second game, Achman versus Dubai.
Bro, baba ng konti.
Lungsod short.
Oh! Let the fly Kelvin! 14 to shoot, 14! Black by Air Balason. Nepi. Whoa! Strong move from a strong young man, Nepi. Still again. Bump. Too strong. Ah, the agent, smiling agent, Makalalad. Now, smiling agent, Makalalad. Stop, bump. Short. Now, Castillo. Pass to Makalalad, Makalalad, Makalalad back. Nice pass outside. Let it fly. Golden. 73 to 63. Back to 10-point lead on Russell Caima. Isidero. Atomic bomb. Again, too strong. Rebound on Balason. Air Balason, drive. 5 pump. Foul.
Jerry.
Foul on Francisco. Third personal foul on Francisco. Third team foul on Abu Dhabi. It's 3 minutes. Fourth quarter. First game. First match of our two revenge game. Sub dito sa basket lang. Sub. Ng Mighty Cholo. Kami, Mighty Cholo. Only 9.3 na sa still by Nepi. It's 2-1. Nepi foul. Foul on Lungsod. Warning for penalty on Russell Caima.
Lungsod third personal.
Time out on Russell Caima. And our next match, second match, is Achman against Dubai, our Enter Emirates Season 4 basketballista.
Isa pa. Aywa.
Now 65 to 73, 8-point lead now Russell Caima. It's been 2 minutes and 46 seconds. 7-point lead Russell Caima, 73-66.
Pito na lang.
Let it fly, Kelvin. 14 to shoot, 14.
Bigay na! Nice one!
Oh, short.
Oras tayo!
2 minutes and 14 seconds.
Oras na, Jay! Take time! Hey! Oras, Jay! Kuha isa!
Last 2 minutes. This last 2 minutes is brought to you by Metrobank. Lungsod. Still by the Budgets. Lungsod now. 1 minute and 40 seconds.
Hey!
14 to shoot. Whoa! Castillo timeout on Abu Dhabi. It's 1 minute and 31 seconds. Stop. 19 to shoot, 19. 14 to shoot.
Okay.
Air ball. Yes, Sir Escalante. Oh, putalan, right foul. Foul on Escalante. Warning for penalty Abu Dhabi.
Escalante court personal.
Escalante, fourth foul on Escalante.
Iyak na naman. Iyak ka na naman. Okay?
Wala. Oo, lakas ka.
Mainit, bebe?
Hindi na ako makakala. May isang kilo ng ba?
78, 68.
Hey, tagay!
55 seconds. Hey, Balason. 44 seconds, 44.
Wala, nasinasanan. 10 points.
Siyempre sa babo eh. Alam mo yan, sige yan. Hey! Nice pass, nice pass.
Foul against short. Bonga, 30 seconds.
Pira kay Bonga, Chris.
20.
Nice shot, nice shot.
Bang on Castillo. 15. And now for game hour.